Hi folks, I wanted to make a quick video just explaining the formatting, I guess, on this piece from the Unit 5 test. And this is for question number 2. And the actual calculus part of the question is not what I want to explain. It's just kind of how what this table means and how this table is laid out. So basically, if you look at this column, these are all values of f at x for the given x value. So what this means is that f at 1 equals 4, f at 2 equals 1, and f at 3 equals -7. And then sort of similarly, you would have values of g at x from the second column. And what this means is g at 1 equals 2, g at 2 equals 4, and g at 3 equals 3. So we don't know anything about the equations or the graphs really of these functions. We just know some specific values of the functions and also of their derivatives. So here, kind of moving over here, the third column is f prime. So this tells us that the derivative of f at x equals 1. The slope of the tangent there is 8. The derivative of f at x at 2 will be -5. And the derivative f prime at 3 would be 8. And the last one, of course, would be g prime at x. So you have information that g prime at 1 is -6, g prime at 2 is -3, and g prime at 3 equals 0. So I didn't want to have to write out everything, and I think it's kind of nicer in a table for you guys to be able to see the summary, but I wanted to be sure that you had this information, and if you were stumped with what that table meant or what those values meant, I didn't want that to be a sticking point in this question.